Hi guys, today we are live with a random topic which is about YouTube just launched an editor app just like Canva to edit the videos and upload it directly from there. So let's explore their feature and let's see how distinguished it from the other editor apps just like the Instagram edit and others. So we just downloaded the application. You won't might won't find it on Play Store yet because it's in beta version and it's not available in most of the countries. So I have pasted the link in description by which you can download it and explore their features as early birds. So let's start. I just so interface seems fine. Let's click on sign in, choosing an email. So this is simple and this is very quick. Click on allow settings and pick a video from here. Okay, so we are picking a sample video. Interface seems fine and I just checked the memory of it and it's almost about 250 MB after just download. So it's an heavy app. So let's start the feature of it. So we got overlay by which you can paste a video on a video. It's just same as the Instagram editor. So we are picking the same video. Yeah, we just pasted a video on it. Also we can put text on it. Text effects, we can see text effects seems like basic one just like the Instagram edits. Okay, so the stickers, you can see what kind of stickers are there. So it's basic stickers, multiple collection of stickers. Also we can search of it. Let's explore the GIF. So if it's put Hindi GIFs or not, let's explore. Oh, it's having all kind of stickers that you can add on your video. So it's importing it and you can paste it on your video, and also you can manage position of it as well. That's nice. Okay, so filters, there are several filters there. Okay, that's fine. Effects, let's check the effect. So yeah, the effects are good. There are multiple effects. Let's see. Okay, so multiple effects are there, and apply all. What's in apply all? Okay, sounds. So I just read about it's having a long free library which you can use into your videos, and there will no royalty on it, and there will be no copyright strike on it. So it works like YouTube Music. Okay, so I might find some songs. Maybe we can find lovely song. Okay, so some of the songs are not available, but we can try on things. There are multiple things are there. Okay, let's explore the next option. There is no back button, don't confuse from it. You can just scroll it down and it will be over. So voiceover is also available. We can do the voiceover okay as well, and it will be so synced with your video. Yeah, we are home. We are on home. Captions. Have caption created for you, letting YouTube analyze your content and its servers. So we'll create the sound from videos, sound from voiceover. Okay, language spoken, so it's supporting currently English, Hindi and Spanish. It will add more languages in future. So creating the caption, you can add it. Done generating the. That was quick. Yeah, I just spoke in video and it's automatically sync the subtitle into it. That's nice. Okay, so what will be the next option? It's adjusting the aspect ratio. It's just the YouTube one. Okay, so I just these are the options, these are the basic option, and hopefully they will launch more. So it's more or less like the Instagram editor app. There is, we can say, no much difference in it, and the topics are basic. Might possibly the collection is higher, but the topics are basic. And the one main thing is the native editors of these applications like YouTube editor and also the Instagram edits and also the TikTok edits, they support their edited content. If you edit the videos using their platform, there is more chances that they rank your videos rather than you are using Canva and etc. So let's see how we can upload it from here. Okay, if it's done, we just export it, exporting the video, and it will have the like okay quality. They haven't gave any option to download it on 4K on something. Upload to YouTube, you can see the option is available. You can upload directly from here, or you can, okay, here you can see the video is uploaded and thumbnail is also managed here, or you can share it, by which you can like share it on any of the other application, or you can save it as well. So this is the basic intro. You can explore it by your own. You have link in description. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hope to see in more videos, and stay alert, stay tuned, subscribe our channels. If you need any help regarding to the business verification and other steps, you can let us know in comments. We will be very happy to upload videos regarding it. Thanks so much for your time. Have a good day.